Alright guys, thanks for coming back to check out the channel. Another video today for you. You know that noise you hear on your car when you're drying it off, if you're spraying quick detailer on it? It sounds like sandpaper, it's like a rough sound. That's contaminants. You need to clay bar it. In today's video, I'm going to show you just how to get rid of that sound, how to make everything smooth, how to do it, when to do it. Do you use it on glass? Yes you do. And here you go. This is how to do it. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to do it on glass. So the glass on the SQ7 has new wiper blades and it judders when you turn them on in the rain, right? So they're brand new. So why is it doing that? It's doing that because there's contaminants on the glass. So yes, you can clay bar your glass. You should clay bar your glass. You should clay bar your whole car. So this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to clay bar your car. But I'm going to be doing it on the glass because I know the glass needs it and the paint doesn't, because I just polished the car. So this is going to be a demo on how to clay bar, but it's going to be on the glass of the SQ7 because it needs it bad. You can hear that gritty sound on it. I don't know if the mic will pick it up, but it's there, and when we're done with it, there won't be any of that. It'll be very smooth, and those wiper blades will just glide like they were supposed to from the factory. No more of that shaking and jittery and jumping around stuff. So here we go, guys. Okay, so we just cleaned the car, and I have the OG clay bar from Chemical Guys. You can see it right here. I also have their clay luber right here, so you can use a quick detailer, any type of spray you want. But this is a really good one. So here's the OG clay bar that I'm using, and tear off a piece. You can see I got a whole chunk in there still. You just tear off a little piece. This is all you need right here. So you're just going to take this, and you got your microfiber towel, so you got this all ready. You're just going to spray a little bit of this on your clay bar, and you're going to spray a little bit on your windshield, and that's how you're going to just clay bar your windshield, just like you would paint. And this also works for paint, so if you want how to do your paint, this is how you do it as well. So here we go. Let's go over here and clay bar the windshield now. I'm going to take it, and I've already got a little bit sprayed on there. I'm just going to spray a little bit on my glass, and we're just going to take it, you're just going to go back and forth, just like you would your paint. Just keep it lubed. And so this works, you're going to do your paint the same way as I'm doing this right now. You're going to do this to your paint. So if you hear any, like when you're drying off your car, using quick detailer on your car, and you hear a rough sound, this is what you need to do to take care of that. Your paint's not exactly slick. So you're going to take this, you'll turn it over, and you can see how dirty it is or not. Now it's gliding pretty good, but there's a little bit of dirt that was on there, not a whole lot. I'm going to take my microfiber towel. I'm just going to dry off all that excess, just like that. All this stuff is like a quick detail spray. So this is the Chemical Guys clay luber, the Chemical Guys OG clay bar, and just like that, you've removed the contaminants from your windshield. And this is also, again, this is the same way you would do it to your paint. You just spray it on and get the contaminants off, just like that. You can see here it doesn't really, there's no dirt or anything on that window, so it doesn't leave any film or anything behind. So super short and quick video, guys, but super simple. Do the same thing to your paint. Now again, it looked like it was clean, right? So here's the clay bar. You can see that there's a little bit, if this will focus on there, you can see there's a little bit of dirt on that clay bar, but the windshield looked clean, but it's not. So again, we're using the Chemical Guys OG clay bar. and their clay luber. You can actually buy this as a kit. I got it on Amazon. The link will be down in my description, as usual. It'll be in the description. So I'm going to go ahead and knock out the rest of the front windshield, and I'm going to do the back as well. So again, if you turn on your wipers and you're getting a judder, that window wiper judder, jitter, whatever you want to call it, and it's not staying smooth, this is probably what you need to do. Clay bar your glass. I know a lot of people don't do that. A lot of people won't tell you to do that. But if you got brand new wipers like the SQ7 does, brand new wipers, and it's juddering still, it's because there's contaminants, and you can see right there, there's contaminants on there. So it should be smooth now. So make sure you guys like and subscribe to the video. This goes for your paint. Do this the same way for your paint. What I just did is no different than if you was to do it to the paint on one of your cars. So, all right, guys, make sure you like and subscribe. If you got any questions, let me know. See you. Bye.